Hey guys, trying to find a YouTube tutorial to talk about how to make a 3D printed spring. Couldn't come across one, so I'm just gonna let you guys know. Quick hack that I was doing for myself. Um, so just starting off here, if we just had a normal spring, kind of extending it out, make it a little bit smaller. Let's make this 5. So 3D printing an object like this is very difficult to do on a 3D printer. You have a lot of sharp angles here. I don't feel like you would actually handle the load very well either, given the way the layers are deposited. So I was trying to think of an alternative to this kind of shape that performed the same function. Um, what I'm planning to do in my current model is if we go ahead and create a sketch on this face and project the spring into a two-dimensional surface, it should create a sinusoidal wave. Um, so we take that, we get rid of the body, we have this wave here, and then we can pull on this profile, make this symmetric real quick, and then I'll just pull it 5 millimeters in both directions. And here we have a two-dimensional version of that same spring, which should allow for some compression. But more importantly, since it's flat on the sides, you could print this out much more easier on the printer. I feel like this would be a good alternative for um, any sort of situation where you would need to perform some sort of compression spring. So I hope this quick video helps. Thanks.